Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech RG. Today I am with a new topic and my topic for today is AnyDesk. AnyDesk is a software program that provides platform independent remote access to personal computer and other devices running the host application. It offers remote control, file transfer and VPN.
Forget about this definition. Have you ever been in a situation that one of your supervisor urgently requests for one Word document, and when you try to open that document, you can't open it at all. Now you are in desperate situation. Neither you have a time to Google through the website or to look for all the blogs to resolve the issues. In such type of situation, you can easily call one of your colleague who is good on technology, and he can remotely connect to your computer and resolve your issues. In such type of situation, AnyDesk can be really time saving and also will become handy for you. Without any further delay, let me take you straight to the page where you can download AnyDesk and use it. Here I am using Mozilla Firefox to download AnyDesk. You can all use any other browser for this. Let me go to the start menu and search for Firefox. Once you've found it out, you can open Firefox, then go to your browser where you can type for AnyDesk download. As soon as you open it, you will find it out in anydesk.com. I always recommend you to download any application from the official website only. Many other websites, like for example download.coms or any other website, can provide you anydesk.com, AnyDesk software to be downloaded, but I always recommend you to use the official website. Click on this and it will land you to the page where you can see download now. Let me download. Then here there are three simple steps processes which has been shown you by the index itself, but for now I'll try to save the file. Once downloaded, I'll simply double click it. But what I recommend for you to do is that whenever you download any kind of application from the internet, you just right click and scan for any kind of malware using your inbuilt antivirus or any kind of third-party antivirus solution. Let me double click on this one. Once I click it, AnyDesk has been opened. AnyDesk can be run in two modes. Either one is without installing the AnyDesk, and second is installing the AnyDesk on your local computer. I recommend you to install AnyDesk on your computer. Just to install AnyDesk, you can click here. You can see install AnyDesk. Let me click here. Then it will give me the path. If you like to change the path, you can do it. But as of now, I'll put it on the default path. And for the updates, always enable that keep AnyDesk automatically up to date. This is really very important because someone on the remote side is going to connect to your computer over through the internet. So we should ensure that AnyDesk is always up to date to eliminate any kind of threats. Now let me click on accept and install. As user account control has pop up, click yes to install AnyDesk. As of now, I have already installed AnyDesk on my computer, and also my friend has already installed it on his or her computer. Now let me show you the procedure to connect to my friend computer from my computer. I will open AnyDesk. I can ask for my friend this desk number from his or her computer. Once I get it, I can put it over here. Then I can simply click on connect. As the connection is in progress, once the connection request has been made to my friend computer, it will tell me please wait for the remote site to accept your connection. Now let me go to my friend computer. On my friend computer, you can see two things: accept and dismiss. If you like me to connect to his computer, he can accept it. In this case, I will accept the connection, or he will accept the connection. Once connection has been accepted, I can go to my own desk. Then I can see that I have full control over his computer. I can open his document. I can open his Chrome browser. I can fix any issues with his computer or with the browser itself, or if there is any issue with our office document, PDF document, I can easily resolve them from any place. It is not necessary for me to be right in front of his computer. So once the connection has been done, and once my friend decided to in the connection, he can simply click on disconnect, or even if I have completed my connection, my task, I can simply click on disconnect, so that in this way my connectivity will be terminated and we are on our way. Now let me tell you how your friend can connect to your computer from his or her computer. The process is completely same. You will give him or her your AnyDesk number, then he will put it and connect it. But only difference is that if you are using AnyDesk for the first time, your firewall is enabled on your computer, then your firewall will give you an alert before you can accept the connection. In such type of situation, you can click on allow AnyDesk to communicate on these decks and check marks private networks such as home or work network, then click on allow access. So in this way, he can smoothly connect to your computer and resolve your issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.